on, Daniel. Show us how it's done. You were the big talker.
I hear like hike my dress up for this.
Hike it up a little bit up.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Not even. Okay, here we go. This. Thank you. All right.
Just videotape.
All right.
All right, girl, you got this.
Close the door.
Yeah, close it.
Close.
Check.
Turn it on, Mal Dog.
Where else but America?
Where's Turn this bitch on. Move it. Oh my. Oh my god.
It's like engage clutch.
I have no idea how to arm it this thing.
Engage clutch.
No, I don't understand. So I like this is like my clutch kind of, right? Well, okay, I hit my clutch. Do I try George Evans? Why not?
I don't want to back.
Drive it, Mal Dog.
I don't know how.
Fucking push something forward.
Like a stick shift.
Push something forward. It'll work.
I'm sorry, I was 16.
Just push something forward.
So what you're saying is you don't know how to drive this.
I don't know how to drive like a commercial CB. No.
Just push something forward. It's gotta work.
Yeah, put your clutch down and put something. They really should have some sort of informational text or
Right?
something.
How's it?
No.
He's burning fuel right now.
To see your face was breathless.
Well, that worked.
Do that again, Mallory. Do whatever you did again.
You can now tell your kids someday.
Do it again. Do it again.
That's
All right, okay, I suggest we turn it off and go to bed.
good.